I'm having a really hard time forgiving my ex. I don't want to forgive them. They treated me so badly. They didn't value or respect me. And there's no way I'll forgive them. I need to hold on to this anger as long as I can, because that will teach them a lesson. I want to show them that what they did was wrong. And even though I'm feeling this way, I love and accept myself. I realize that ruminating on this anger is holding me back. I can't move forward because I'm still energetically connected to my past. So maybe just for right now, I can choose to forgive them. It doesn't mean I forgot what they did. It just means I'm setting myself free and focusing on my own well-being.